Hi Dave, this is video number two, and this is about adding the forum. The forum works a little bit different. It's got topics, and so the test that I'm going to give you over here, so for example, you have one topic on. Actually, this one has like other topics in there. One topic here, and two topics on this one, for example. So you would get the ID from the 7852, for example, over here, and we go back to the widgets and we would add it into this shortcode. And this you can set it to show 4 or 5, for example. And it only has 2 in this case. So if you had any of these, you would right click, take a look at this, and then it would give you the forum ID. And what the forum does is then it lists topics. So when you're on this page and you hit save, and then you go down to the mom's life, it's going to list the topics of the forum right in here for the user to click. And so you would do the same thing, do the theme sidebars, go to the sidebars, create a new sidebar, figure out the name of it, go ahead and select the category down here, add it. It's going to then show on the widgets area, and you can either copy one of the two codes, either the one for the forum or the one for the groups.